According to a report by the nonprofit ProPublica, the 25 richest Americans pay little to no federal income taxes. It's a claim that is once again reigniting the debate about the tax code. Lauren Blanchard has more from Washington.
A new report on America's wealthiest citizens is making a big impact here in Washington. The independent watchdog group ProPublica claiming the 25 richest Americans have paid little or no federal income taxes over the past few years. The report highlights the ways the wealthy are able to avoid or lower their tax burden, including making most of their money from investments, which are only taxed when the assets are sold.
The country's wealthiest, who profited immensely during the pandemic, have not been paying their fair share. And the nurses and firefighters I represent in Oregon can't play those games.
But some critics point out there's a difference between overall wealth and income. For example, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos saw his net worth increase by $127 billion from 2006 to 2018, but he reported a total income of $6.5 billion, equaling a 25% income tax rate, but just a 1% tax on his net worth. The IRS commissioner telling lawmakers his main focus at this point, finding out how ProPublica got its hands on individual tax records and making sure it doesn't happen again.
We will find out about the ProPublica article, but we do have quite a few systems in place. And I would say for the volume of data that we have and that gets exchanged, I think the IRS has been very successful in protecting that data.
President Biden says he wants to change the tax code, including eliminating what he calls the trust fund loophole, used by the wealthy to pass investments and assets to their heirs without paying taxes. In Washington, Lauren Blanchard, Fox News.